If you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's Tamika. I am back with another quick craft. This again is gift wrapping ideas for gift cards. Happens to be again. This gift card is for my daughter Taylor. It's a $50 Walmart gift card. So we'll be wrapping that up instead of putting it in the sleeve in an ordinary fashion. I hate giving gift cards, honestly, but this is everything that they've asked for as far as anything. Like, I'll just take gift cards because either they don't like what I choose or they want to just use it for something else later down the line. I'm going to hope it's the second thing. But anyway, so I at least want to be crafty with my gifts because I can easily just give you the gift card or give you the email with the code for your e-gift card and call it a day. But I'm Scrap the World, so we got to do something a little different. So we have our gift card, and this actually, I don't even know where I am in videos, but this was another DIY that I did. This is actually just a sublimated card that I did on my own. It's an e-gift card that I purchased, took the numbers, did it in the machine and in the Silhouette software, and then sublimated it. So you can have a physical gift card. That's just one extra step that I did, just so, because I just don't like I said, definitely want to give an e-gift card, and I don't want to give a gift card anyway. So with this one, I'm going to be using some lighter weight cardstock. I use mostly heavyweight cardstock or cardstock from Cardstock Warehouse. This is a lighter weight. It's Georgia Pacific brand. I'm going to be using just a little bag just to make it more annoying for her to get, just because I'm like that. I'll be using 2 sheets from this Pixma sugar cookie paper from how many ever seasons ago. So 2 sheets of that. And you're going to need a die, some fluffies, and some washi tape. Some washi tape. Optional is an eyelet and some ribbon or trim or what have you. I'll be using some seam binding and possibly some gold trim, but we'll see how that works out. Those are optional items. So the last thing we'll need is a plastic box that will fit your gift card. This is obviously from my stash. I needed to get some thumbtacks for my office, but so I got these pretty ones, but I also needed some thumbtacks to hang up finish hanging up the wreath around the doorway or the garland. So I got the thumbtacks for that because it's a stationary set. You get the push pins, which is what I needed, and then I'm going to use those. So, but we don't need this. I'm going to put this in a safe place because we're definitely going to be using the cover, and they're from Jot brand. So what you want to do is obviously take the cover off. You can clean this up. You can use some, let me get this out of the way. It's distracting for me. You can use some Goo Gone on here if you want. I only have like a taste left, so I'm definitely not going to use it for this project. Plus I'm going to cover it up with washi tape anyway, but this isn't too hard to get off. You can even soak it in some like dishwashing liquid water and kind of rub it off. And it'll come off, and then you can have a nice clean edge if that's what you want. So what I did do was just clean the box itself. And then we're going to make a little tab for this so that she can open the gift card. So what I have to do is just going to line this up and cut both at the same time. Line it up. Ding, ding, ding. And then I'm going to put my box where I want it, because this is for the back of the box. So whatever you want the person to see on this side. So I want the bottom of this Santa Claus down there. I'm just going to push that to the edge, and I'm just going to draw around it. That's a little messy, but don't fret. It's going to be under that little block for me anyways. So I'm going to cut this down. Okay, and now I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to add some tape to the back. This is where that die comes in. So I have a envelope a tear die. If you have that, that's great. I want to try to give you ideas for people who don't have the tearaway die. So remember, this is the back. So decide how and where you want your tear to be, and that's where you're going to put your little die. Now remember, your die does have to cut, not emboss. And I'm just going to put it like right here. We want the edge to be off. We don't want it to have a final, no final say here. So we're going to tack it on right about there. And I'm going to use a little bit of washi tape, rainbow washi tape. And I'm just going to tape this down. Just like so. That's why you want a lighter piece of backing paper, enough for the two together to be sturdy for the project, but light enough for you to cut it through your die cutting machine. Make sure that that's right. Okay, which it is. And I'm just going to run it through my machine just like this. So this is what we have. Let's just take the tape off. You have one job, to not be permanent. Okay, now that's what you have. Now we cut it on the edge. I'm just going to make this a little more bendable down here, just a little bit, because we're going to glue that down to fit in place. Like that's going to glue down and then that'll pull up. So what you can do though is put a little string in here. I'm going to take my little crocodile here, punch a hole. I'm going to grab a tiny eyelet and then fasten that on here like so. All right, and I'm going to take this string, fold it in half. So make sure you get something that'll fit through the hole that you made. And I'm going to pull it through. Straighten that out. Make enough for them to be able to pull. We're good there. Okay. And I'm just going to glue it down, a piece of it, not the whole thing. Right there. Okay. Once that's stable, cut off the extra. And now you have a little pull tab, or they have a little pull tab right there in the back. Okay. Set that aside. Now here's where you can write your message, and you probably should write your message now because, whoa, when you get it on there, it might be a little difficult to do while it's up. This happens to be the perfect segue, no plan intended, to share with you some new stationery that I got from For Candy. Look at that! I'll link them down below. Lots of options. If you guys know, I am a stationery girl. Like personalized. Hold on. Let me show you. All right. Personalized stationery. We got Scrap the World. We got my whole name. And then I made a bunch of these cards. These actually came from Hobby Lobby, but I made a bunch of these cards myself and got my little name on them. I have pens and pens and pens and pencils and markers and stuff galore. So when For Candies reached out and said, hey, we have some new black gel pens. We have some new mechanical pencils with a nice grip, fun colors. Would you like to try these? I was like, yeah. So let me show you. So don't hang up on me. Okay. These come in such a cute pouch. So we're going to start with the mechanical pencils. I sketched my projects out, and I just got done sketching out a new mini album that I'm excited to share with you guys. So it comes in this it comes in this nice mesh pouch. And let me tell you, everything that comes in it, you have the ergonomic grip. It's made with tough material. You have premium leads and the carry case. So let me grab the sheet of paper that we just had, and I'm going to show you. So this is nice. It's already preloaded. So hello. Oh, that writes so finely. Hello. And then you have your replacements in different millimeters. So you have 0.5, 0.7. This is all of them have 60 pieces in there. So you get these. And then, oh, here's another one here. Blue, red, and pink. Beautiful colors. Or blue, pink, and white. And then you have your heavy duty erasers, because who doesn't erase? I erase often. So when I'm sketching out my mini albums, it comes in a little pack. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, this is right. Look how cleanly that erased. You can hardly get all of the, man, you can hardly get all of the pencil off of your paper. Where is it? What was it? What did you say? I love it. And so anyway, these are all the same. So you just, obviously you push, they're all the same, but you get your blue of 2, you get your white and your pink, all matching with your coordinating pencil leads, 0.5 and 0.7 for each. You get 1 each of 3. So you got 3 sets basically in this set. And then you have your erasers, your extra erasers that come on the bottom of your pencil, which is the same like the ones that's over there. Yay! So you have eraser replacements. So that's awesome. When I draw out my dollhouse furniture, I mess up because I'm working a lot of times in teeny tiny, so millimeters or centimeters, and it's a little difficult. So I erase often. So I need a pencil for that. So this is the pastel gel ink pen set. You get 12 black gel pens and 2 highlighters. So it's a set of 14. Comes in this nifty carry case. Go. And oh wow, these are such a nice, beautiful arrangement of options. I like this block. It's like a hexagon. Whoa, so nice. If you know me, you know that I am super happy about this. This must be the highlighter. I don't want to waste the highlighter, but it's a pink highlighter. Bing, has a little clip on it. And then this one, oh, this is neat. This has flowy ink in there. And this is another marker. Oh, this is a pretty, it's like a mauve. It's a really pretty color. Ooh. And this is this is even finer than this one. This is perfect for journaling. Let me set that one aside. This one, oh, this nice little grip here. These are all so nice. So you could tell I've never opened this. This is a little bit thicker. This one is 5mm, 0.5. Price the same. Really nice. I like the styles. So the rest of them, 0.5. That style. Ooh, this is nice and thick. Again, another 0.5. I like this one. That's going to go in my planner. It's a nice rounded one. Really cute. Soft silicone. This is fatter. Has a, oh, this is thick. It's a nice thick top. And oh, that's heavier. This is heavier ink. This is nice. Nice grip. Silicone grip there. And then cute. And then this one. Oh, that has the gel in it. I'm not going to take the top off, but this is fancy. I love it. I love them all. Definitely check them out. I'll leave the links down below. What did I say I was going to do with this one? Oh, this one I was going to write with. This one I was going to put in my journal. Definitely check the links out down below. Guys, those are really, really nice. So, like I said, nice little segue to what we came to do. Check out For Candies. The link will be in the description box near you. Okay, so back to the project. I'm going to use my For Candies pen, and I'm going to write Taylor a little message here. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be back. That writes really neat. My handwriting is horrible, but she knows that, and so they all know that. We all agree. All right. One day I'm going to buy a calligraphy class. I'm going to put that on my self-care list. To find a calligraphy or a pretty handwriting class and improve my handwriting just for me. Just my self-care stuff. So I'm going to put the gift card in the bag. So because I knew that my die probably wouldn't cut all the way through, I just did the two most important ones. But now I'm just going to flip this over and put some tape on it so that I can trace it out and cut it for the front. And don't forget, we have to do this piece too. So the only thing we need to do now is fill the container. So I have my little inners here. I have some stars, some puff balls, some fake snow, some sequins, and some gold balls. I'm just going to put all of that in there. All right, that's in there. My gift card is facing up where you guys would be able to see it if it wasn't covered, so that the front is just the metallic. But make sure you have some balls underneath the front too before you seal it up. And now we're going to lay this on top of here like that with some hot glue, and I'm going to start at the bottom and do a little bit at a time, and you only want it on the rim. And I'm just going to continue gluing this all the way around. So we're going to put this here, make sure we have it exactly where we want it to fit. Press it down as best you can. It should be flush. I'm just going to glue right here, nice heavy amount, and press it down. There we go. Not coming off. Very cool. So this is what we have. So cute. So adorable. They don't even know what's in here. It's a shaker. It's so pretty. So I'm going to add my washi tape. So I have some gold washi tape here. I am going to add a little bit of score tape to my edges because I want the washi tape to stay. Or if you want to be extra fancy, you could in your handy in your digital program, you could even measure this out, do an offset, and then cut out a perimeter thing to go across. And I do have a video on that. I done this same thing with some flowers, some paper flowers as a gift. So I'll try to find that and link that below so you can check that out. Now we're just going to add our washi tape. So that's what we have. And I'm not going to let these little pieces go to waste. So I have the snowman, which I have on the back. I'm going to grab another eyelet, make another hole off to the side here. Push this through. Change this around. And secure that. And then I'm going to use some lace and seam binding. And I'm going to push through there. Put a little eyelet. All of these things are optional. I'm just giving you some ideas here. That's just a cutout from the paper collection. So put that there. And then just go through here. Go. All right, and then we can just push this through as well. I just put a little glue on the back there. That way that can stay where I want it to stay. And here we have it. Super cute way to decorate a gift card. Pop it open. I'm not going to do that. And there you go. You can hang these on the tree. You can put a little hole up here, hang them on the tree, put everybody's name on it. But since this is a gift, of course, I'm going to wrap it in gift paper. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to check out for Candies. The links will be down in the description box for you guys. All right, I will talk to you later. Bye.